lady is a woman, a decent woman. A woman is a nice person with children. A whore is a slut or a swine, but ambitious, who tries to do her job nicely and politely. A slut is a something of a woman, but a whore is a definition of another woman. And bits of pieces lead to many great men, and many great men enjoy them.
Me want to drink out it.
Stop fight. Stop fighting, stop fighting. Me and my ancestor. Stop fight. Me and my ancestor apart. Him say you can't get none, I say you can't get none. You can't get none because me and ancestor apart. Me and the ancestor, me and them apart. You can't get none, you just can't get none. Me and the ancestor and them apart. You can't get none, so you can't get none.
You can't get none, your blood clot. None you can't get.
Ready?
Yeah.
Brother, see a man named Carl Baba. Brother, did know Baba. And take your tea, then call Baba. Brother, when me name now, then call me Bujunya. Baba. Brother, bring crab and roti for us when we was little picky. Brother, when he say kakafat, everybody laugh. Brother, kakafat. Brother, sing say mel too short, and a bar too tall. Brother,
Right then, the easy now.
Fucking hey, man, 71 years old, I'm whining and dying. I'm so dead. Hey, you know, with a death. Hey, God said, no, me and everybody wet up your blood clot and this one chat thing. Hey, no. I'm an autobiography now selling it. I'm illiterate. Yo! The world. I get time to write my autobiography. So I'm selling it. But I'm going to bring my money for my autobiography. Find out. So here we go on. When I get time to write my autobiography. From the world is I was. I'm still is. Boy, I have blood. Sniper Jeremy. Stop your reggae chat. Don't play my soul. I don't have time for fiction, illusion, fantasy, and building magic. But man, say, get rid of mental slavery and think positive. So when you call me, no, sir, radix. Boy, radix, Samakan, the monk.
No, Jerry, well, so we can put in a show.
Yeah, man. But I'm a manager. So, and I'm here chat.
Jerry, we can't afford a $2 million names. You have to talk to Bella to it.
You better talk to Bella. Because you are. This not technology.
Take man name we a back fist too. Me back fist too. Go on back no fist youth saying. Cause I better more than no go long people get picking and rape them saying. Back fist make no for we no go to prison. Saying. So the make body company up come tell you say only if you talk back no fist you go no short of memory. No go so. Saying back no fist. Same way. It make no long people get picking. When you can't buy look a pum go on back fist same way. Saying. The amount of people that follow me and me a back fist too. Me I same thing like you know. Saying back fist me go stay out of trouble. Me know that. Saying that time me I tell you no. Saying and the girl them with the man a go firing to bomb more cloth. Saying you know if you run pussy for the man them. Whether Jamaica give them blood clot bun. Cause them a go firing go fuck for you know. So when they go firing if you run pussy too. Saying for the man them. Not like on perfect. I don't know say
Whether they come, whether they really bang things, then they put in 90 for Columbus to see what we land. And like them tell Columbus in my batting, 60-55 and take us to 70 old us into what hand. Yet in 30 years, Amara, they were very hand. Yet in 65, Marcus Banner hand. Yet in 80, Liberton, Naman Washington. Yet in 93, it was a riot on the land. 1930 years, we get our free land. 1944 on the first election, 1951 hurricane destruction, 1953 the Queen plantation, 1962 we get the liberation, get it from the Queen we said you're England, 1980 a landslide election, out of family Mr. We are one, dreadlocks, Barley and Babylon. Jamaica is a country of a little island, surrounded by the beautiful Caribbean with golden sunshine and food and water. Mad people. You don't want to hear no more.
How my look?
You can't go and worry about your
How my
looks.
face look?
You're pretty.
Thank you.
I teeth them pretty. Everything about you pretty.
Teeth them dirty?
Your teeth never dirty yet. Your teeth never dirty and you're entertainer.
My tongue dirty?
Your tongue for dirty and I producer and director. You present and said, on my beard shave. You know shave this man in your thing. Humble. Humble look. Mom, you need a shave. I not a shave, man.
But you don't look now, yeah?
Oh, alright then, so I don't need a shave. You can't go and add
Let me
mine.
see how you look.
You need no shave.
Turn around.
You need a shave? You need a shave yet, you know?
No, you don't want to shave. You look,
Oh, alright,
you
then a
look
shave.
handsome.
Fine, wonderful.
You want pierce your ears?
You mad? A pirate pierce them here. You say pirate them. Margana, pirate
You
pierce.
want pierce ones?
No. What's wrong with you, you know? Stop chat fuck it to me now.
No, them say a bad man pierce them.
No, I'm not respond to them. I was so long ago. Now mix me with them. Now mix me with them. Pirate.
I want to put locks in your ear. Make my locks up
You're
your
mad.
ear. I trim you.
Mad
Locks
man.
here, I trim you.
Hey, you know say you're mad girl. Eh?
Locks here, I trim you.
Trim oh me antenna. Pick up alien and falling angel. I'm a soul rebel, you know. I
I
don't tell you a topic.
Yes,
You don't want
you're
a clown
spitting
out
on my
topic,
mouth.
I don't want a clown out topic, you know.
You're spitting on my mouth.
I don't want clown out topic.
I'm not clown you out or nothing.
Are you there on social media?
No, I'm not there on social media.
Where you there on Pink Wall?
I'm not there on Pink Wall.
So what is the topic?
You see, Uno we say on our wife a yard. HIV we kill, man. You see when me go down a club, some of the time me not just one, me put on two. You see when me die yard, me say you have to me be back. Another time ticks bite me.
Lad man, come on man.
Lad man, come on. Nobody thinks a papi showed it. You see a club, the first thing when me go there, me well prepare, because me know say 102 man traveling route. 102 man traveling route. So if you going to travel there, put on your parachute, and should in case of water hole, you have on your life jacket, so you can float.
Where mean water hole? Like if for China big?
If I in a sky you go and you have to have on parachute, if I in a water you drop, make sure you have a life jacket because you will sink. Oh, so me know them man.
You're disgusting, you know?
Me know man. That's why me no blood clot chat to you. Oh, so you don't want me say it truth. So me can't tell you as it is.
Blanco.
Oh. So
You can't see my woman when I fuck and come side your pussy. You can't see my girl when I fuck and come side your pussy.
no time. Mad boy.
Boy, you're a fool. You don't get pussy.